guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is a appetizer that I'm bringing to Christmas Eve dinner, and I thought I would share the recipe for you. Really, it's so simple and it's things you already have. So if you can't make it now, make it for New Year's Eve. So let's get started and talk about the ingredients. Now, you can use cranberry jelly or fresh cranberries. You know I'm going to use fresh cranberries. And I've also dusted them in a little bit of sugar. I'm going to pop them in the microwave for about a minute. I'm going to top with some pomegranate seeds. You need brie cheese. Also cranberries that, you know, like the regular dried cranberries. And some pecans or walnuts. I'm going to use pecans. Alright, pecans. Alright, have I ever made this before? No. Where did I see this? TikTok. So hopefully it goes better. I have my oven preheated to 325 baking sheet, bowl in the center. Okay? And you need a fairly large baking sheet. Okay? So let me just whack this over here. Alright. So we're just going to take apart, you know how crescent rolls, they already have the little perforations, so we're just going to pull those apart, and we're going to put them around the bowl, just barely. Don't worry if you see that some are going to stick out. That is not an issue. And you need 2 rolls for this. Okay, so what I've done is smush all the sides so we have a nice flat surface to put the cranberry and brie. So first thing, I'm just going to put the cranberries around the edge. You can give them a little smush. All right. Now we have a beautiful brie cheese. I'm just going to cut it into wedges. So we're leaving the rind on. Brie cheese is like heaven, y'all. And all the way around. Gorgeous. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to do a little bit of crushed. I'm just crushing them in my hands. pecans. All right, now we're gonna attempt to remove the bowl, you guys. So I'm gonna use a knife. There we go, beautiful. I'm taking a snap. All right, now what we do is take each end and tuck it under gently. And we go all the way around. See how easy that is? And you don't want any gaps. But see, we really don't have any. I'm gonna baste it with butter in a few minutes. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and baste. Oh, she's so pretty. I have a little bit of melted butter, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of basil. And I'm just gonna give it a nice little dusting. And I'll do this a couple times throughout. We're getting very, very close. I am going to baste again, and then this time, oh yes, I am going to add chopped pecans. It'll adhere because we have the butter. And then we're going to add the dried cranberries. Gorgeous. I will save the pomegranates for last. All right, you guys, it's out of the oven. I am going to transfer it to just a nice round board. And fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's make sure we're all loose. Yes, okay. Whew. I don't know, y'all. This is the scary part. I'm gonna put this closer. Okay. There we go. Magnificent. Whew. Okay. All right, gorgeous. Now, we gotta doll it up a little bit, right? Okay, so again, butter basting. It's nice and warm. Without getting the... Okay, and then I have all of this goodness that fell off, so we're gonna put back on. And then I'm gonna add some pomegranate seeds, and then we need green, some rosemary, and then I'm gonna take a little rosemary and just sprinkle it on top. And there you have it, guys. I will cut into it when we get to our neighbor's house. Look at Patty's tray. And then this dress, you guys, I will list. Okay, here we go. This is really good. I think it's really good.
I think so.
Patty and I think it's great. All right.
See, I like anything with that salty, sweet
Yes.
taste to it. So it just
And it's soft. Wasn't that an easy recipe? It's so pretty, so gorgeous. For New Year's Eve, it would be amazing. Or if you have the time and you have crescent rolls and you have cranberries and brie cheese, bam! Christmas dinner. There you go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you so much for watching. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you and your family. I will see you soon. Bye, guys.